Hi, my name is Amuk Tiwari and I am founder and CEO of DeFi. So let's talk about what is NFTs or Non-Fungible Token. So NFTs act like a digital certificate of authenticity. The market for NFTs ballooned in 2020, climbing to a market cap of at least 338 million from 41 million in 2018. To understand how NFTs work, first we need to understand what fungibility is. Fungibility refers to the ability of an asset to be exchanged or substituted with similar asset of the same value. A simple example of a fungible asset is, let's say you have 5 rupees in your wallet and you may don't want to carry too much change. So you exchange them for 5 rupees only. The value of your money is still 5 rupees regardless of the fact it's now in a different form. Non-fungible assets are opposite. Each one is unique and can't easily be substituted from one to another. Think of a painting, a very famous painting called Mona Lisa. It's an original piece of art. It couldn't be swapped out, or let's say if you want to try to buy Mona Lisa poster from a gift shop, it will not hold the same value what the original artwork holds. So the idea behind NFTs is that you have this digital signature, and the way that great work of art might bear the signature of the person who created it. So you can always go back and look at the original, say yes, this is authentic. So how do NFTs work? At a very high level, most NFTs are part of Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Dogecoin. But its blockchain also supports these NFTs, which store extra information that make them work differently from, let's say, an ETH coin. An ETH coin is a value or a name given to Ethereum coin. It is worth noting that other blockchains can implement their own version of NFTs. Some have started doing that. So I hope you got the great gist what NFTs stand for and how NFTs are creating a new revolution in the blockchain space. Thank you so much.